Stencil is a real aid for engineers during PCB assembly. Here is how to order Stencil from JLCPCB. In the ordering web page, you select SMT Stencil. In this type of order, you will need the Gerber files related to your PCB design. Upload it to the web page and set your stencil manufacturing parameters. The default stencil size is 380 by 280 mm, but you can set a customized size by entering the X and Y values based on your PCB design size. You can also select the stencil size, the quantity, and some more other parameters. You have a detailed explanation related to each parameter. Once you finish the settings, you save your order to your cart and pay for it securely. You can also combine your stencil to your PCB order and get them both delivered together by activating the stencil option during PCB ordering. For further details or clarification, feel free to reach out to us through support@jlcpcb.com.